Ito ay makatutulong sa iyo kung hindi ka komportable na gamitin ang iyong boses sa iyong presentations, vlogs, at iba pa. Ang narakeet.com ay isang AI tool na ginagamit to help you create narrations by converting your text or scripts into speech in different languages and accents. Currently, Narakeet has 662 supported voices in 95 languages. As you can see, ito po yung mga voices na maaari nyo pong gamitin to create your presentations or vlogs. Napakarami mong papipilian according to your preferences. Now, if we choose British accents, these are the possible voices to choose from.
London has a diverse range of people.
Meron din sa American accent, which is frequently used by many, and so on and so forth. So, paano nga ba yan gagawin? So, dito guys, pili lang tayo ng language like this, Filipino text-to-speech. Then, create audio. Pinutin lang natin ito. And then, dito, input lang natin yung script. Or kung meron na, i-upload mo lang dyan. Then, pili tayo ng voice dito. So, pwede Aisel. So, Jumari. So, napili ko is Maricel. Pagkatapos, pindutin nyo lang itong create audio. So, ayun na guys. Antayin nyo lang mag-download sa yung files. Pagkatapos, pwede na nyo yung magamit yan sa yung application like CapCut para mag-edit sa yung presentations and vlogs. I hope this helps. Subscribe for more.